friends and neighbors. Appreciate you coming along with me on this adventure. I'm going to have to say this has been a dream car adventure today. Yeah, looking at that emblem right there and that tail, that'll give it away to a lot of folks. But, yeah, this is not just your average Cuda. It's 70. I'm going to try to pan out. Not only is it 70 Cuda, but it's bright red with a go wing. And when you start talking about muscle cars and dream cars, this one is on a lot of people's bucket list. You can tell that blackout right there. It's going to lead up to that Billboard stripe that Chrysler put on them, rallies. Yeah, anything cool about a muscle car, it's on this one. Got the louvers on the back, the vinyl top. If you look inside, you can see what draws me to them, and one of my favorites, is it's got the pistol grip 4-speed, 3 pedals. That's not a 4-speed, it's actually a 5-speed with overdrive. And that might come in handy. I'm trying to pan back so you can see it. Let me get this back out over here so you can see the back of this car is just as sexy as the front. You look at the blacked out tail lights. It's got the louvers, the go wing, the Billboard stripes, and you can make that out right there. That yeah, you don't get any better than that. This was the top shelf muscle car. But that is cream of the crop right there. When you look at muscle cars in 70, a Hemi in a bright color, high impact. I don't know if that Toro red is. Not only that, when you look at the front, that's got a shaker on it too. So shaker hood, louvers, go wings, rally wheels, Billboard stripes, and 426 Hemi and a 5-speed. That's Plymouth anybody would love it. It's got the road lights on it. And you just don't get any better than this. If you could go in time today to a dealership and go in and order what you wanted, and you wanted to roll out with the best muscle car on the road, this would have to be it. It checks all the boxes. I'm trying to get this down to where I can get, there's that, you got the shaker sticker under the hood. But if you went in to order one, this would be it. Manual transmission, 426 Hemi, bright red, black top, Billboard stripes, rally wheels, spoilers, louvers. Man, it don't get any better than that. Wow. The owner of this car was nice enough to let me video. I want to take a few pictures of them. But that, we don't disclose locations or anything, so I'm not going to tell where this car is. The man won't be bothered, but I can tell you that this is probably one of the nicest ones you will find. It is originally a 383 car, so it was original big block car. And look at those door handles. Yeah, kind of a reference to the one that we looked at earlier. And I'm going to try to open the door there. Look at that dash. There's a good shot of that pistol grip shifter. It's one of the coolest things that Chrysler put in any of their cars is that shifter. Man. Golly, that door closes up tight as a new car. There it is. Gosh. 1970 Hemi Cuda. Wow. This is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And I know you won't see cars this nice just everywhere. Appreciate y'all coming along for the adventure and watching.